Unlocking powerful insights from your data hinges on how well you visualize it, and Qlik Sense offers a robust toolbox to do just that. First, let's get familiar with the chart options. On the left panel, you'll find the Assets panel. Click on Charts to see all the available visualizations. Here you'll see a range of options, from classic bar and pie charts to more advanced visualizations like scatter plots, tree maps, and even maps. Each one serves a specific purpose. Creating a chart is simple. Just drag and drop the chart you want onto your sheet. Now, it's time to populate it with your data. Drag your dimensions, which are your categories, and your measures, which are your numerical values, to the appropriate fields. In the Properties panel, for example, you might use Product category as a dimension and Sales revenue as a measure. Now, let's look at chart selection. Pie charts are great for showing parts of a whole, but avoid using them with too many slices, as it becomes difficult to read. Bar charts are better for comparing values across different categories. Line charts are perfect for visualizing trends over time. Consider using a scatter plot to explore the relationship between two measures, looking for correlations and outliers. Don't forget to customize your charts. Use clear titles and labels, choose appropriate colors, and adjust the axis scales to make your data easily understandable. By carefully selecting the right visualizations and customizing them effectively, you can transform raw data into compelling stories and uncover hidden patterns within Qlik Sense.